Sorry for the interruption. So, as we are on the poem, that the poem on killing a tree is like an instruction or manual for killing a tree. It tells us that trees are living beings, so they are not cut but killed properly by uprooting the roots that are inserted deeply in the soil. So throughout the poem, the poet teaches us many lessons. Firstly, the poem illustrates the courage and strength of trees, through which it teaches us to be strong and determined. Then it points out that evils are just like roots. They are deeply rooted within us, and even if we feel we have vanquished them, it suddenly appears. Therefore, to kill an evil, we must put in our best efforts and uproot it. Thirdly, it teaches us that we must bring all our work to a proper end. Lastly, it requests us not to cut trees that sustain our lives. So, in the first stanza, the poem begins by pointing out that it takes a lot of time to cut a tree. The simple act of striking it with a knife is not enough to kill a tree. So it's not an easy job to kill a tree, as it has grown strong by absorbing many elements for years, like soil, like water and sunlight. It has taken nutrients from the soil and absorbed sunlight, air, and water for a long time, such that many leaves had grown on it. So, in stanza 2, the poet states that we need to do a lot of effort to kill a tree. According to him, a simple stab and chop won't kill the tree completely. It would only injure the tree, which would suffer the pain with its strength. The fighting spirit of the tree shall soon receive its full strength, and with time the injured bark will heal and the tree will grow again. Green twigs and small branches will grow again on the tree. Consequently, the tree will grow its full size again as it was before being cut or killed. Therefore, it is not easy. Therefore, it is not easy to kill a tree with these measures. So, in the third stanza, the poet points out the exact manner through which a tree can be killed. He states that to kill a tree completely, its roots need to be taken out of the deep soil where it is hiding inside the earth. So that's the basic point. The root is the strength of the tree. It gives support to the tree and it's most vulnerable as well as the sensitive part. It needs to be snapped out entirely from deep inside the earth. So in stanza 4, the poet says that once the roots are uprooted, they will get exposed to the sun and the air. As a result, the roots start dying due to the heat. The roots become brown and the soft surface becomes hard and dry. After some time, it loses its shape and it starts twisting. Finally, the tree will die.